Hi, my name is Danny Isaac Winford. You are 15 CS304. Today I'll be doing experiment number 1 of Java Lab. So there are two questions given to me. One is you enter two numbers, suppose 5 and 7. So I'll have to display the multiples of 5. I'll have to display the multiples of 7 and the multiples of the LCM of both the numbers. So here's a program I've written. Um, First is a scanner class because we want to take the input. So A and B are my inputs. I is my looping variable, and count is uh, to just to count. So I enter two numbers A and B. I have taken over here. System.out.println the multiples of A are, and then I put a loop so that I can get 10 multiples of A. So I print all of them one by one over here, and then slash b is for backslash. I don't think it works in this program. In C++ it did work, but I'll have to check it out whether it works here or not. I don't remember it. Then multiples of b are again 10 multiples of b, and again the backslash. I hope it works. Then common multiples of a and b are um, so here, what I've done is I have taken I as A. So I starts from A, and I increments by A every time. So it directly jumps to the next multiple of A. And if that value of I is divisible by B, that is mod B is equal to 0, that means it is divisible by both A as well as B. Um, if this condition doesn't satisfy, then we'll be jumping to the next multiple of a where this condition satisfies, and then we'll print the value of I and count plus plus. And if you can see here, I put the condition as count not equal to 10. So initially I have declared count as 0 over here, so it will run till count becomes 10, and when it becomes 10 it exits the loop. Thus we are getting 10 multiples, common multiples of a and b. So let's check this program. It's cricket.java. um, so we can put like numbers like 3 and 5. So here it is telling me multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, and multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, like that. And the common multiples of 13. Now as you know that the LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. So 15 table has been displayed over here, 15, 30. And yes, as I said, the backslash, it did work over here. So we can test it with any other number. uh, let's say 4 and 6. Okay, so the 4 and 6, the LCM will be 12. So as you can see, 4 multiples are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, like that. And the common multiples are of 4 and 6 are 12, 24, and these are the numbers. And so that's the program. Now jumping onto the second program, it's a simple program of a factorial of a number. And as you can see, I've created a scanner class just to get the value from the user. This is I variable for looping. Factorial initialized as 1 because we'll be using the multiplication operation. So if we keep it as 0, we multiply any times, it will still remain 0. So that's why factors initialized as 1. So now enter the value, and user has entered it into n. Now I'm running the loop till n not equal to 1. That means as soon as n becomes 1, we don't have to actually check also, because we know that factorial of 1 is 1, and into 1 by any number means the same thing. So uh, if it's a number greater than 1, then it comes to the while loop. Fact is equal to fact into n. and n minus minus until it comes to n equal to 1. It will keep running. That means it will be including 2, and it will be omitting the part of multiplying it by 1. So we are just saving a little bit of time while running the program. So this is a factorial of a number. Let's check out this. 5, the answer should come 120, and it is 120. And if we go to 6, it would be 120 into 6, that is 720. The factorial is 720. You can check it with smaller number if you want. 4, it should, if it's 4, it should come 24, I think. Yes. Thank you for watching, guys.